We had both the A Ma Maniere 1s and the A Ma Maniere 3s released this year. Are the shoes in this box set to dethrone either pairs from Sneaker of the Year 2021 contention? What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. If you haven't checked me across the different socials, I'm Chris Catalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate the assist. Cleaning house, check me out on the Kicks at the Castle podcast. If you love Disney, sneakers, and urban fashion, the three hosts on this show, they intertwine the topics pretty well. Link is posted up right here. Now, this video would not be possible without the efforts of Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. We have finally reached the end of 2021. Depending on how you feel, you may consider this release to be Sneaker of the Year, though I think most wouldn't. Now, releasing on December 30th, 2021, we are getting a twist on a retro shoe colorway from back in 1985. The band ones to be more specific. Because the band ones designed by Peter Moore were an iconic in Michael Jordan's career, this is probably the most anticipated release of 2021. These are the Patent Bred ones. To preface, I'm not the biggest fan of patent leather shoes, whether it be the cool gray 11s, the fearless 1s, and the list can just go on. Even before I picked up this pair, I was already looking for ways to deglaze the Patent Bred ones, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube. The box, it even gets the hit of that glaze or that shiny. Outside of that, it's your typical retro Jordan 1 box where it's predominantly done up in black and you have your red branding of the Nike on the top, the Nike on the sides, and your sizing label up front. Flipping the lid, the shoes are secured under white tissue paper, which leaves some particles on the shoes themselves, and it's all good, you can easily dust them off. First impressions, the shoe looks pretty dope in hand, to the point that I'm actually retracting the idea or the thought of deglazing the pair. It's hype meets luxury, and again, this is set to release on December 30th, 2021, and attains a retail price point of $170 USD. Add your tax and your VAT just based on where you reside. Most neighborhood Jordan brand accounts should be receiving stock of these. Stores such as Kicking It ATX should have them. Though this is a GR, a general release, so even your mall retailers such as your Champs, Foot Action, they should be cashing in on the fun. However, just because I state that it's a general release doesn't mean that it will be an easy cop. You'll definitely have to work for them. Taking a look at resale, looking at StockX GOAT, a week from release date, prices are hitting between $350 and $450 depending on the size that you are needing. I did mention adult pricing, though they're also supposed to release an infant, toddler, preschool, and grade school sizes, $45, $60, $80, $130 respectively. Let's actually get into the details. Patent leather is employed throughout the shoe, as you can see. To the touch, it's pretty smooth. Though, with continual wear, the shoe is destined to crease. I'm fine with regular leather creasing, but patent creases, not so much. Mimicking the Band 1 colorways done in black are the mudguard, the quarter panel, the collar above and below the ankle strap. In red, the vamp with the perforated holes, the Nike swoosh that runs from the lateral to the medial side of the shoe, the heel cup, and the ankle strap is done in this nice finish. It looks pretty good. The Air Jordan Wings logo is debossed into the ankle strap done up in black on the laterals of the shoes. Equipped to the shoes are two sets of laces. The default is done up in black, and then the bagged up pair is done up in red. Behind those sets of laces is a black padded nylon tongue. Running up the tongue, crowned at the very top, is a black woven label with a stitched Nike Air logo done up in red. Providing that extra hit of luxury, it also comes equipped with a red ball and chain with a metal Jordan Jumpman. It looks pretty good for now, though I'm pretty sure the paint will chip off pretty easily. Inside the shoe, red embroidery spelling out family is on the medial side of both shoes. The liner is your typical black mesh lining that we see in most Jordan 1s, and it attains the same padded comfort around the ankle. Moving on, Jordan insoles. They're super flat, offering little to no support or cushioning. That's just the way it is. They're done in a black fabric with red Nike Air logos placed on a thin piece of blue foam. If you don't like them, you can always buy an aftermarket insole. Right here, I have some soft soles that are pretty thick. The midsole and the outsole are both done in a blown rubber component, enabling flexibility and durability. The midsole in color is a pure white, and it actually attains a hidden air unit at the heel. The outsole is red and it attains your typical Jordan 1 traction markings where you have the circles at the top, the branding with the Nike right here in the middle, and the grid mark at the heel. If you've never bought a pair of Jordan 1s, stick with true to size, though I highly suggest you visit a local retailer, try on a sitting Jordan 1 mid, low, or a rare high that is in stock, and get sized up properly before you pull the trigger on these patent bred ones. In terms of comfortability, several people have asked me if they have a weird fit to them width-wise this way, and I can only speak for myself. I don't have a wide or a super wide foot, but to me, they feel like any other Jordan 1s that are on the market. So perhaps if your Jordan 1s usually stretch width-wise with the regular leather, maybe you might go a half a size up because that patent leather on these may hinder that ability to stretch. Overall, I think the release of this colorway in 2021 is warranted. The last Bred 1 release we had was back in 2016, so if you didn't cop those, this is a good consolation price. Really, I wish that Jordan 1 would release the true Chicago 1 colorway, since that's long overdue, not counting the Off-White, the Origin Story 1s, nor the LA to Chicago 1s. I think 2015 was the last true retro date. If you're able to get these patent bred 1s for retail, I applaud you. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What are your thoughts on the patent bred 1s? Is this a good pickup, a bad pickup? Are you gonna deglaze them? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at @ChrisCatalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for kicking it with me. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers. See you now. Also, go UTSA, though we suck again.